two of the talks were on the same program, and they're specifically looking at, galaxy mergers, but galaxies that have been lensed. So through the process of gravitational lensing, they're very distant galaxies whose light has been magnified and amplified.
These big mergers are called luminous infrared galaxies. And really what I do is I study the birth of stars in those galaxies and understand how the mergers create the stars within them.
So stars form and help to form new stars. They die, but in the process they help to form new stars. So we want to understand this cycle of formation of new stars.
And so what we really are interested in is the stars that are forming now. And all of the stars that are forming now are forming deeply buried underneath layers and layers of dust. And so the only way that we can see them is with Webb.
So that's why James Webb is great, because you can see all this obscured star formation, where probably the majority of the star formation happens in the universe.
Just the telescope is working so much better than expected that people are like even doubting themselves when they see it, and then they realize, no, this is how good the data is.
In many ways, Webb represents the tip of the iceberg for so many different communities within astronomy, and it's one of the reasons that we've all been waiting with bated breath for so long for this telescope to work, and it's exceeded, I think, most everyone's expectations.